viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, guys. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you guys. Today I am gonna cook some curry shrimp, some white rice, and guys, some blending, of course, cause you know the day can't complete without the blending. And what I'm gonna blend some pumpkin juice, guys. And how I do my pumpkin juice, I am gonna boil my pumpkin. I'm gonna let it cool off, and then I'm gonna blend it. And what I add in my pumpkin juice, guys, I'm gonna add like supplegen, Guinness or dragon, along with some sweetened milk, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon spice, and depends on what you want to use. If you're making the pumpkin juice, guys, depends on what you want to use. Some person would add rum, and some person would add like Guinness or dragon. As I said before, so it depends on what, if a person making the juice and what they want to use in their pumpkin juice, guys. So I'm gonna boil off the pumpkin now that I am going to use to make the juice. And we're gonna cover it, but we're gonna turn on the stove. And then we're gonna leave our pumpkin to cook. So guys, I'm checking on the pumpkins, see if they're cooked. So I'm gonna give them about 1 more minute and turn off the stove. Guys, I'm gonna season my shrimp. Here is my fresh shrimp. I'm gonna use some thyme in it, some scallion. I'm gonna use some onion and some ginger, guys. I'm not gonna use all of this ginger because the ginger is strong, so I'm just gonna use just a small pinch. I'm gonna use some pimento seed, and for seasoning I'm gonna use some garlic powder, I'm gonna use some Maggi all-purpose season, just 2 teaspoons, guys. So guys, I'm gonna marinate my shrimp. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and let it stay there and marinate until when I'm ready to cook. So I'm just prepping from earlier to get my stuff together, guys. So I'm ready to cook the shrimp now. I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil, not too much. I am checking on the oil, make sure the oil is hot. So I am going to saute my garlic. I am going to stir fry them a little bit, guys. Giving them a nice stir fry color. Guys, I'm gonna add the curry. Guys, I'm using better pack curry, guys, and I like to burn the garlic and the curry together, guys, instead of using the curry and the. So when I burn the curry and the garlic, and the ginger together, guys. You're getting all that good flavor from both the garlic and the ginger onto your meat. Just giving our shrimp, guys. The shrimp is coming on good. I'm just giving it a stir, and for seasoning and vegetable I'm going to use some carrots, some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, some onion, and just a little pinch of regular pepper. Guys, we don't want to overcook our shrimp now. So we are checking on our curry shrimp, guys. It's looking real good, guys, and today's dinner is gonna be a special one because everyone is gonna get some today. No one is gonna get left out of this. Guys, I'm adding some margarine butter and some salt. 1 teaspoon of salt we're using, guys. Guys, we are checking on the pot and we're checking on the rice, so we are going to use a piece of foil wrap now just to let the rice steam just a little bit. So we are wrapping the pot with a foil wrap just to steam the rice a little bit, guys. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I am going to blend the pumpkin now. So I'm using 1 cup of water from the same water that the pumpkin was boiling. So that's the water that I'm gonna use. Can you see that, guys? I'm gonna use to blend the pumpkin. Guys, this is what my pumpkin look like after blending. Well, I'm going to throw it out now. It is smelling so good. Vanilla, some nutmeg, some cinnamon spice, just a little drop, some cinnamon spice, and some tin milk, and a dragon. So I'm adding the dragon and the pumpkin juice, guys. Guys, this is my pumpkin juice, my curry shrimp, and my white rice. If you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing as well.